So let me share my screen. Okay, can you see my screen? Yeah, so the menus are, uh, we need uh, we need more bolder menus. Okay, so can we change the color of the color? Well, it's already purchased. Yeah. See, this is add-ons, right? Pro add-ons. This is already. I have taken the pro version, so this is already there. Yeah, it is there already. I have purchased all the. I purchased it professional. Is it in the somewhere? Yeah, I'll just. Okay, we'll check that. I'll check it after this. Let me share what are options. So this is. Let's make it, or maybe yeah, make it bigger so that people can see this. So here we have got it now. So what is happening here is when I moving up, so the color is changing here. This is okay. So can we connect with the WordPress? I think they have a cPanel. I think WordPress, okay, WordPress.org I think provides no cPanel. Where? Yeah. This one? Get WordPress. But sometimes tech-savvy folks prefer to download and install it themselves. What is the meaning of this? Okay. So, can we talk to these WordPress people? I have, no, this is, I think I have, till September I have, till September. I have purchased for 2 years. I have purchased for 2 years. So this is, now it is, I have time till September this year. So I can, and then after September, I can plan to shift to a new. Yeah. Okay, so we'll check it. So these are some of the things which we have to because these are not visible, right? These are, if you look at here, these are not visible. But these menus, we cannot change the color. So if I want to make it home white, pure white, okay. So we have to change the menu background color, right? The previous color which was there, the previous color which was, if you remember, make it the previous color only, make it this one, the previous color. I just wanted text also white because it's not visible. So okay, and also the top one also we need to make the, because it's not visible. Make it white. This one. I think this is stable now. The header is stable, right? Only thing when we move up. So can we make this search bar? If we look at search bar, right? Search bar. If you look at this completely, there's a boundary here. When we go up, there is no boundary visible. Search bar. There's no. Yeah, but what I'm talking about is a boundary. Look at the boundary. Boundary. And we are not able to see when we are moving up. We are not able to see this menu. So this is in. This is not stable. I think. So if you may move up, right, there are menus are there, but they're not visible to us. But when we, I think we should make this. And this is not stable. I think this is not stable because if you look at this social media icon is not visible. Not about the color. I think this is about the boundary. This see. This is the social media icons are visible here, but they are not fully visible. I think we should. But where is social media here? In this, suppose we are in the we are, but where is social media icons here? No, no. My question is right now in this particular header, where is social media icons? No, I cannot see here. I cannot see anywhere. Where it is, it's not there, right? So this is not stable, right? If you cannot see the no, no, why is social media? If suppose I am a user, I want to see this website and I want to see social media icon. So will I share them? If I go up, I can see this. But if you wait. If I this is also not fully visible, half visible. Let me go to the, then we have to optimize this. Here also not visible. This is, so make it, make it a little bit the width, right? The width of this particular bar, increase it, because somebody, if you are somebody using on Safari browser, they will not be able to see this. Okay, let me log out from here. What about login? Login is not visible. So you're not getting login here. We're not getting wish list here. So if I'm a if I'm a new user, if I'm a new user, I don't have my login. Oh, so you're saying that if I'm a new user, first I have to sign up, or first I will do the browsing. And if I'm an old user, then, and if I'm an old user, suppose if I'm a suppose if I am an old user, I have login access, I have sign up, I have login access. So, but I have, what I will do is wait. Let me complete. Let me complete this. Right. If I'm an old user and I'm actually coming to the website, right? And I'm seeing, I want to see what is new in the website, right? And I have seen something new in the website. So I need to have an access here, right? Or there is a login here already is there. No, if sign up is visible, then this should be also visible, right? No, it is there. The access is there. The access is there, not visible. But why if sign up is visible, then this should be also visible, right? No, this is not stable. It's not stable. This is not stable, I think. We have to think about how to do this because this is going to give a wrong impression to the buyers. This is not a stable version. So we have to think about this, how to make this stable. I mean, this is not, I'm not going to take this, I'm not going to make this live. If this is a status, right, I cannot make this live. This is a very dangerous thing, right? So this is what one we have to think how to do with this. Now, second thing is top courses is fine. This is stable now. But the what is the length of this? See, if you look at the length, they are not the same length, different lengths. Now, this is also not stable. See, if you have one, two, three, four lines, right? Four lines, but this is up. This is one, two, three line. This is down. This is one, two, three, four line. This is down. This is one, two, two lines. This is up. So this is not stable. We need to, we need to define the length of this. It should be on the same line. This is also not stable. We cannot go like. So you mean to say you cannot do any coding on WordPress? So you cannot do any coding from here, page builder. You cannot do custom code in the Elementor. Elementor is custom code. So what should we do to get the access to cPanel? So can we connect the master study team to with a can we submit ticket right now? Can we submit ticket right now? This is master study LMS. Right? I have the ID. See, what we need is a very stable version because users they will come and they will. So if it is not stable, then it is going to be a big problem. I'm trying to find a password. Where? Install demos are there. Where? Here? This one?
You can continue to Google or social media. Yeah, you have just logged into your social media. This purchase course could also provided by Inverter website. You have last day maybe downloaded. You can find out the from download page. There is a maybe PDF. Your download folder maybe there is a PDF. There from you can find out.
I think last time I did login.
This support page did you have logged in?
Not support page. Starlinks themes I did login.
Okay, click on the account.
Because I did download the master slide documentation after.
Can you try it? Forget. Maybe then you can reset it.
Can you get in theme forest?
You can get the code from the theme forest. You already have the downloaded the PDF persist key. I have seen last day. You can check it the download folder. You can go through the download in the below. Maybe you can find out master study PDF registration. Not the outside mail folder. Not outside. It's not inside but outside master study. Maybe in here. This is the maybe license theme, license video in below. Master study in below. There is a PDF. Number is 619756. In the beginning 6197.
Where it is?
In below master study. Below master study. Yes. This is the code. Try it. How long ago did you have buy the theme?
This is almost 1.5 years.
1 year.
1.5 years.
Successfully registered for the master study. Sorry, your support has expired. That's why they not expired in December 3, 1 month ago. They maybe will provide the access for 1 year.
So how much it will cost for hosting?
It's cheap. If you go through the name chip, maybe they will starting price maybe $10 to $12 hosting, and your domain already exists. If you want to, maybe for domain is $10. Within $20 you can manage the domain hosting from the name chip. You can go through the name chip, and then you can check.
I don't need to get the domain.
Okay.
What is
Name
spelling?
name chip. This is the first one. Name. This is first one. Name chip by domain. Please.
We don't need domain, right? We need only hosting.
Yeah, we need to know if WordPress provide the name server. If we if WordPress provide the name server access, then we can change transfer it from in your Namecheap hosting. If they do not provide the name server access, then we need to wait until this domain need expire. After domain expire, then you can buy it from the Namecheap or another hosting service provider.
So what I will do right now here?
You can check the domain, or you can check the for now you can check the hosting if there is a hosting panel. Now you're not able to buy the domain because already your domain already booked. You already have to book the domain. Then I need to know the whatwiz.com provide the name server or not. They if do not provide the name server access, then we need to wait till September. After September, then we can you can buy the after expiring the domain, you can buy it from the Namecheap. Then you can merge it that domain and hosting from the Namecheap. After that, merge the domain hosting, then you can install the WordPress and install the theme.
Okay, so what we can do right now?
You was asking the domain hosting price. Maybe you can see the from the hosting price. Share hosting, yes. This is from here you can see the yearly package. Maybe there is different server, USA, UK, EU. So from different location is asking different price. Namecheap GoDaddy most trusted in the world, so I always suggest Namecheap.
Okay. So if we take these hosting rights now, so can we transfer our domain into this?
I if you have the name server access, I need to know the if WordPress provide the name server access, then if provide the name server access, then I can transfer it. And if do not provide WordPress.com do not provide the name server access or transferable access, then we need to wait till the September.
So how do we know that name server access? How
I
we
need
need?
I need to study on googling, then maybe many previous developer or maybe a domain hosting owner have shared their experience. I need to read the blog. After that I can confirm you.
You're going up, then it is not visible here. When we go up,
because
it is visible here.
because they not provide the feature of changing the menu background color when we scrolling.
Can you make it white, the background?
Yeah, we can make it bright, but all menu will be invisible. In the unscrollable window we can make it white, but when we will be make it white, all will menu will be invisible.
But is this happening in the master study thing? Same thing?
I think maybe do not having the same feature, because they already know how to grab the market. They already uh, developed the requirement. If they need to any change, they work through the code. And for the basic user who do not know code, they made the dashboard dynamic, like using readers framework or option free framework. Then they
See, they have a very bold. They have bold
yeah,
menus.
they bold menu because they have made it from custom code. We also can make it from the code, because we do not have the we not able to do that because we do not have the code access. They made it from the code, and they wanted to they made the support feature because they wanted to get more earn, because they when you they always try to make some limitation you requirement, all because they wanted to more give them more service, and they will be get paid. That's why they make the support made the support option.
In that case, we have to go back to the, we have to remove this feature of making this header stable.
Okay.
If you're not able to, if you're not able to make this one, right, then we have to make this header, st-
Okay, and then you need to transfer it another demo.
no, not demo, the same demo, but no, we need to see, if you look at this demo, here we can see very, see, this is the header is not stable here, right?
Yes.
The header is not stable, but we can see all the menus properly.
Yes.
But here we are making our header stable. We are trying to make our header stable. I think these guys are contacting us. We are using this theme, right? Classic theme only, right?
Yeah, we have maybe before used that was
Yeah, this is the theme this is the theme we are using right now. So
maybe it's classic. We not a classic. Maybe we using the another one.
which one?
Need to check the what. We have used the course hub demo. We use that menu of course hub.
In the course of,
Yeah, we just use the course hub for the menu option and course.
So in this year, it is available, right? These languages are available here.
Sorry, language mean you want to changeable language on the menu.
Now you're saying that, right? This is not available the theme or
The,
multiple language.
yes,
This is
this is not available with the theme, and there's a master study theme saying we you need to buy it from the wpml.org.
but it's available in this demo, right? If you look at here, it's available.
Yeah, it's available demo because they are we get it from them, and they are paying from that. And your theme purchase time duration is Uber. That's why they not now maybe give you the feature of changing or creating a support. You can check it. Can you request it them to make then expand the time, or then you do not need the extra developer. They also have a developer, and if they don't, they uh, provide do not provide the access of your supporting, then you can get access the developer from like us. And then you can try first from the theme support system. And they do not provide you the support, then you can try and try us. Or you can make it the customizable theme, then you need to uh, make the grow your budget after that.
What are these short codes?
Sorry,
What are these short codes?
short course which topic?
Within element settings, you can see there is a short code option is there.
Short course option which phase? I'm not able to see. Maybe your screen is stack. Your screen not moving.
My screen not moving.
No. Should it reshare it, and then I'll able to see. Yeah, now I can see it. A short course.
See, this is search box code.
This is maybe for you.
Courses carousel. Then it is
This this code
courses
this
categories. Then
this
this is courses grade, featured teacher,
this
instructor, course
code for
carousel.
slider. It's a code for slider in revolution slider. You have a revolution slider option. Then from the revolution slider you can change the design. Then you can paste it the design code in here. Then after that paste it, you can save, and then you will able to see the dashboard from dashboard. It's if you want to course any course is slidable or movable, then you can make it from revolution slider. In the below you have the revolution slider option.
See, right now this website is not stable at all.
Yeah.
See what is saying. Please note that the only way is to use SFTP. You should follow these instructions.
See what they are saying. SFTP for wordpress.com, SFTP FileZilla.
And I have e-commerce plan.
SFTP is available to administration wordpress.com business and e-commerce plan. And
And I'm using e-commerce plan right now. So what is SFTP? This is Secure File Transfer Protocol.
we do not need this feature now. We just need the hosting access to edit the code why they're saying the fund SMTP coming.
This
If
is my site settings, hosting configuration, and this is the hosting configuration where you can make changes.
see they in the setting option maybe they are available to create SFTP certification. It could be
SFTP,
compromised. It's not flexible to change.
this is host, right?
Okay,
This documentation available here,
okay,
right? Connect by using SFTP and then server. This is your open connection, file transfer protocol. This is documentation they have given.
yeah. Okay, if this feature provide the free for free, then you can try it. And then if you do not provide it for free, then if they are asking for the charge this hosting facility, then I should yeah, recommend you need to choose the Namecheap or GoDaddy because they are low cost and then another service.
Do you have any more question? Is it what is saying? What is it?
If you want to choose the SFTP, maybe they have provided the access the file of host WordPress. If you then if the this SFTP is, access is charge they charge you they asking for the money for this feature, then I think I suggest you should need to know how much they are charging for SFTP.
So let me ask them. Are you charging anything for SFTP or is it free? So they're telling it is free for e-commerce plan. I think.
Need to check that. Setting.
Let me share with you on the Fiverr. They're saying it is completely free.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay.
They're saying it is completely free. My plan is e-commerce plan, so this is completely free.
So you do not have a now support from the master study, then I need to make it changes as a requirement. Then I'll try to access the SFTP, see if I am not if I can. But they are saying in SFTP create SMTP. Create. I am trying to create SFTP. Then after creating, then see what feature they are providing. If they are able to provide the access of the WordPress hosting, then I'll try to make the changes.
Okay, okay. So let's try with the SFTP first, right? What do you then we will actually discuss the plan. I think we have to make a lot of changes in this.
Yes.
First of all, the header is not stable. Then we have to make these changes, right? This all changes. Then third thing is that we have to remove this boundary. Hot courses boundary is there, right?
Yeah.
See here, top courses there's no boundary. The syntax, the font size of top courses and hot courses are not same. Then about to launch courses, we need one more section like this hot course section. So we need to have something like five, 4 or 8 courses here, not time. We don't want this time.
Okay. Then
We don't want time. We don't want
we just we put the two separation, and then just
two line of courses.
okay, two line of courses. Okay.
right? About to join courses and remove this time,
Okay.
remove this video also from here.
Okay.
Then why should you choose us? Then we need to have four like this, four or six, five boxes like this.
Okay.
Why should we choose us? Then we need to have five boxes like this. We will mention our content here, right? Then this is fine. All courses fine. Career achievements fine. This is also fine, right? So remove the career from here. We don't want career achievements here. Already this is coming here,
Okay. Center
right?
achievement will be covered this career achievement.
Career achievements, yeah. Remove
Okay.
the career achievements from here, right?
Okay.
Then consulting is fine. Testimonial is fine. That's, the spellings are not right. We can change the spelling later on. And we need again here three or four icons, like small icons, like this.
Okay.
Small icons, not bigger icons, right? So in the consulting below, we need four or five icons, three or four icons here. Testimonials again, we need three or four. Then a carousel.
Okay.
Consulting also we need three or four. Then carousel.
Okay.
So this is a consulting three or four icons. Then carousel. Testimonial three or four icons. Carousel. Then here we will have recent life. So recent life we'll put four or five, three or four videos and carousel.
3 or 4 video. Okay.
Three or four videos and carousel. And videos will be uploaded from YouTube, right? YouTube link.
Okay.
So all the videos will upload on the video YouTube links. So this is also. So three recent life and employee hire program.
Okay.
Not employee hire. Let's put enterprise.
Okay.
Enterprise hire. It's not employee hire. This is enterprise hire.
Okay.
So thus, if you stabilize this header, then it's a big tension loss all.
Yes.
Top courses. Then this has to be on the same line. Then this is fine. Hot courses need to remove the boundary. Again, there is the same problem here also. It's not the same line. About to launch courses, we need to put two lines of courses, like what we have in the hot courses or here, two line of courses. And even if you have one line is enough, we can put one, this one, like this.
You on the scrollable.
Yeah,
Okay.
like this. Just put one line of code, one line, and we'll put, scrollable like this. And why should we choose this? Here we need to have five bars like this, five boxes like this. We'll put it here. This is fine. This is fine. This is fine. This is fine. Here we'll replace career tunes with recent life.
Okay.
And we will have a carousel here. And employee. This is not employee here. This is enterprise side. Recent blog post and consulting and testimonials. Again, we will have three or four boxes and carousel. Three or four boxes carousel.
Okay.
So our front page will be, home page will be done if we do all these things. If you set to home page, right, you'll rest everything will be finished very fast. This is the most heavy page.
Yeah.
We'll get a total grip of the entire code because rest everything will be finished very fast. There's not much content in the rest all of them. But in this, there are a lot of things are there. Right? If you can possible, let's connect in the evening also. 8:30 my time or
Okay.
time to
I'm
your time.
today. I'm free. I do not have any busy schedule, so I to try to solve this. And if they have provide the cPanel access, I'll able to do it fast. And after that,
Yeah.
I'll knock you, and I'll try to change your requirement.
Yes, yes. So shall I share my WhatsApp number with you if you have
Yeah, I have
anything?
WhatsApp.
You have WhatsApp, right?
Uh,
So let me, because if we can connect faster, we have to finish this as fast as possible. Let
okay.
me, uh, What's your number?
0175
What's the country code? I don't.
plus double it.
Plus double eight.
Yeah, 0175
075
plus double it 0175 28
28
72
72
620.
620. Once again, please share 088 075.
Telling you, you match that 0175 plus double it 0175
Okay.
2872 620.
2872
620.
620. Okay.
Yeah. Did you have found my contact?
Yes, sir. Is it important to put 075? It is important.
Yeah, this is the operator number 0175. 07 is operator number, operator code, and plus double it is country code.
Yeah. Not able to find this. 00 880.
Or you can tell me your number, I can try from my side.
Yeah, yeah. Plus 91
Plus
91
plus 91
8977
8 9
double
double
seven
7, then
924.
924
Yeah.
924
637.
637. Okay. received.
Yeah, I received it. It's 175, right?
Yes.
Let me also change. It's 175, 287, 287, 2620. Okay, let's try to get this SFTP first.
Okay, I'll try, and if I have found any difficulty, I will knock you.
Yeah, please update me on the WhatsApp if you
Okay,
are able to.
okay, sure. I'll. Okay, bye. I'll try to knock.
Yeah, okay. Take
Okay,
care.
sure.
Bye.
Okay, bye.